All, karibu, and on today's video I would like to share with you some updates concerning the diversity visa 2020 and 2021. As we all know that the winner for the DV 2020 and 2021 faces many challenges that hinders the issuance of visa from the US embassies and consulates all around the world. Hence, it resulted to some class action suits to the US District Court, and the court issued some orders. So, from different cases that have been instituted in the US District Court, I mean from the case of Gomez to the case of Gohar, various orders has been issued by the court in order for the US Department of State to implement such orders. So on these updates, I'm going through the case orders and what does it mean to the DV winner of 2020 and 2021. So stay with me until the end of these videos. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video to others so that they can be aware on the updates concerning the diversity visa for 2020 and 2021. So the Department of State is aware of the various order regarding the reservation and adjudication of the DV 2020 and 2021 diversity visa. So, starting on August 17, 2021, the US District Court for the District of Columbia in case of Gomez versus Biden ordered the department to process the DV 2020 application on random order until all 9,095 diversity visas have been granted. That's number one. That was the order, number one. On October 13, 2021, the court ordered the department to commence processing the 9,095 diversity visa 2020 visas as soon as feasible, and to conclude such processing no later than end of the 2022 fiscal year. It means not later than September 30th, 2022. The court in Gomez granted relief so as encompassing all DV 2020 applicants with direction that the department continue to process the case in random orders and did not order the department to prioritize DV 2020 applicants over the others. And because Gomez is a class action, DV 2020 selectees who are not named plaintiffs in the Gomez case may benefit from this order. So that was the order from the case of Gomez versus Biden. So due to this order, the Department of State was ordered to random process the cases without prioritize certain DV 2020 applicants over the other. And this was because in Gomez's case, it was a class action. So all selectees of the DV 2020 will be received the visa as the court have ordered the processing of 9,095 DV 2020 visas to be issued as soon before the end of the fiscal year 2022. It means before September 2022. So if you are the winner of the DV 2020, expect anything before the end of the fiscal year 2022 because the order from the court has said so. Also come along on September 27, 2021, the U.S. District Court for the District of Columbia, in case of Lai versus Biden, ordered the Department of State to reserve 966 diversity visa numbers of applicants awaiting adjudication of the 27 embassies and posts previously subjected to Proclamation 9984 and 1014-3 and defendants regional no visa policy. So if all you can remember that in 2020, the former President Trump, issued some presidential proclamation which banned most of the people coming from the Muslim country to travel to US. And this proclamation was removed after Biden came into power. So this proclamation 998 and 1014-3, the case was instituted and the court ordered the reserve of 966 diversity visas from the winners coming from the countries which was affected by this proclamation. So these visas are reserved and the court ordered that it should be processed before or by the end of the fiscal year 2022. And the court order in lie extend to individuals who are not named plaintiff in the case. So those people who were not named in the case of Lai versus Biden, don't worry. Also, you will be included as the plaintiff in the case and you will be issued your visa. So expect anything to happen before the end of the fiscal year 2022 for those who were affected by the presidential proclamation of 9984 and 1014-3. That is another order in the case of Ray versus Biden. Then on September 30, 2021, the U.S. District Court for the District of Columbia in Goodluck versus Biden related matters ordered the Department of State to reserve 6,914 diversity visas for adjudication pending final judgment in the Goodluck related matters. And the department in this order has not been ordered to process additional DV 2021 cases at any time. So for those who are selectees of the DV 2021 and you are in case of you are the plaintiff in case of Goodluck versus Biden, the court has ordered the reserve of 6,914 diversity visas for adjudication pending the final judgment of the Goodluck related matters. But the Department of State has not been ordered to process the additional DV 2021 cases at this time. So you better have a patient and wait if you are the winner for DV 2021 and waiting for more information to the Department of State concerning the plaintiff who are in case of Goodluck versus Biden and the winner or selectee of the DV 2021. So you should be patient on that matter. But on September 30th, 2021, the U.S. District Court for the District of Columbia in Gohar versus Biden ordered the Department of State to make 481 diversity visas available for adjudication and to adjudicate those diversity visas by the close of the fiscal year 2022. The court order in Gohar is limited to the Gohar named plaintiff. So in this case, the case of Gohar versus Biden, the US Department of State was ordered by the court to make 481 diversity visas available for adjudication and to adjudicate those diversity visas by the close of the fiscal year 2022. So if you are the plaintiff to the case of Gohar versus Biden, you should be wait because there are visas have been ordered from the Department of State more than it is 481 diversity visas to be available for adjudication. So if you are the winner of the DV Lottery 2021 and you are not, and you are the plaintiff in the case of Gohar versus Biden, you should wait until further instruction from the US Department of State in order for you to be granted the visa. And this order or the adjudication of those diversity visas should not be closed by the end of the fiscal year 2022. But one thing to remember, the court order in Gohar case is limited to the Gohar named plaintiffs only. So if you are not the plaintiff from the case of Gohar and you are the winner of the DV 2021 and your case has not yet been adjudicated, it might be some problem to you, but also we said keep hope alive so that later on you may be granted your visa as the winner of the diversity visa. So in my opinion, according what the court orders has been, they were according to the court orders and the Department of State on how they doing their work, it is that according to this order, the DV 2020 and 2021 winners have some room to be issued their visas. So let's keep hope alive and waiting to some additional public guidance from the US Department of State as they continue comply with this order. Thank you, and do not forget to subscribe for more info and updates for diversity visa program in general. Thank you so much.